Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Are you facing a problem where your YouTube video shows a black screen but the audio is still playing? Don't worry, in this video I will show you how to fix the YouTube black screen problem step by step. See, this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. First, open your phone settings and scroll down. Now tap on the apps option and now search here YouTube app and tap on the YouTube. Now tap on the force stops. Okay, scroll down. Now tap on the storage, clear cache and clear data. Now tap on the delete. Okay, go back. And now tap on the permission option and allow all permission. Camera allow, contacts allow, location allow, microphone, nearby devices, notification, phone, photos and videos. Okay, allow all permission. Okay, go back. And now check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My internet and Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, go back. And now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, go back and go to your Play Store and now search here YouTube and check update your YouTube app. My YouTube app already updated. Okay, go back and open your YouTube, and I hope your problem has been solved successful.